Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be discussing Concentrix salaries here in the Philippines. So let's talk about first the average salaries here at the Concentrix. So let's focus on the popular roles. First, the customer service representatives, they average 19,071 pesos per month. Team leaders average 45,220 pesos per month. And senior team leaders average 44,561 pesos per month. Now let's talk about customer service. Call center representatives can average 19,989 pesos per month. Technical support can average 22,635 pesos per month. Retail customer service representatives can average 15,130 pesos per month. And let's talk about the sales department. Customer service accounts representatives can average 17,868 pesos per month. Sales representatives can average 32,598 pesos per month. Account specialists can average 24,899 pesos per month. Now let's talk about the management department. So team leaders can average 45,222 pesos per month. Senior team leaders can average 44,561 pesos per month. Quality managers can average 38,194 pesos per month. Quality assurance managers can average 42,427 pesos per month. Technical advisor can average 17,836 pesos per month. Operations manager can average 70,428 pesos per month. Site agent can average 21,105 pesos per month. Managers can average 55,273 pesos per month. Workforce manager can average 40,806 pesos per month. Process lead can average 35,000 pesos per month. Now let's talk about the information design and documentation department. Quality assurance analyst can average 28,465 pesos per month. Technical specialists can average 15,928 pesos per month. Reporting analysts can average 27,650 pesos per month. Video game designers can average 18,767 pesos per month. Business intelligence analysts can average 33,615 pesos per month. Senior quality assurance analysts can average 30,188 pesos per month. Quality analysts can average 39,204 pesos per month. Instructional designers can average 50,600 pesos per month. Senior technical specialists can average 29,339 pesos per month. Now let's talk about the IT operations and help desk department. Technical support can average 23,273 pesos per month. Senior technical support can average 28,098 pesos per month. Junior network engineers can average 31,339 pesos per month. Systems administrators can average 66,284 pesos per month. Network engineers can average 47,799 pesos per month. Technical support engineers can average 28,457 pesos per month. IT support can average 29,696 pesos per month. Salesforce administrators can average 65,307 pesos per month. Senior network engineers can average 57,017 pesos per month. So these are the popular roles being looked for by Concentrix. You can find them at Indeed.com. I'm sure there are more complicated roles that have not been mentioned, but these are the more general roles that are available and being hired here online. So if you're looking for this kind of information, please subscribe. Once again, I'm Engineer Morgan Sai, your coach ng Bayan.